welcome to Jen's channel, Kay's mom on YouTube. I am guest designing for her. She is out, but she asked if some friends would like to just post some videos on her channel, and why would you not? That is so fun. What a great idea. I feel like we should do this more. So this is just going to be a fun layout, no other purpose except for I have some gorgeous Vicki Boutin print shop from the scrap room, and I have photos I need to scrap because I always have photos I need to scrap. I have 3 photos of my son playing outside, or we're going for a walk back in 2014, and so I just wanted to document how he liked playing, how we entertained him on the walk with his rings and his paper crunchy thing, and his froggy was his favorite. So I want to just journal about that, and I have this lovely print shop. I've cut into some of it. This is part of a scrap room kit. This is pieces of the Flavors of the Month kit, add-on paper pack, add-on embellishment kit, and some of the Shots of Life. So I've got lots of goodies here. With the scrap room, you always get 3 pattern papers, 2 cardstocks, and some embellishments in the Flavors of the Month kit. And then you can get extra pattern paper in the pattern paper add-on. You get 2 for each collection. You get another thing of embellishments for each collection. And then if you get the Shots of Life, you get another little bit of stuff. So then I've got some chipboard. I've got some bigger journaling bits in here. I've got these lovely papers, but the one that I have my eye on is this one. I really want to fringe this so bad. So, and I also was looking at my 30 Days of sketches because I didn't do all of them during October, but I vowed to continue. And I think we're going to do Miss Laura Moss's sketch today by the Scrappy Kia. Laura Moss, she created this sketch for day 13, Lucky 13, back for October. And 30 Days of Sketches had exclusive sketches this month. And I like that there's these strips. And I was like, I can easily put fringe there and fringe there. I've got 3 photos. What's better? That's perfect. So I think we're going to kind of loosely base our page on that. So let me pick out some papers, trim my photos down, and get to fringing. I have the fringe scissors, and we'll be back. It's been fringed and it's been splattered. I just put it on white cardstock, splattered with Night Moves from Shimmers, double matted my photos with pattern paper, actually the back side of this, and then the back side of pocket cards, and now we're going to mount them on foam and put them on. This sheet, the smile, and then the take a walk. I thought that was perfect. And I just cut this label into 2 pieces. We're adding it on either side, or on the side of the photo, and I'll journal right there. I'll sprinkle some of those bits, I think. I added this happening today over here, so that kind of balances that a little bit. So now I want to get some stuff that kind of goes around my photo. Let's see. I could die cut some black leaves, but don't need those, I don't think. But a couple of these flowers might be okay, and then maybe this flower pot. We'll add that one there. We'll do this one right here, rounds it off a little bit. Kind of fills that space in a little bit too. I'll add glue to those because those aren't sticking. I might add these little chipboard pieces. Sprinkle those around. I mean, she's got stuff coming out either side, you know, of all of them, but I kind of like this with just one. We'll see. We could do maybe the arrows. I don't think I need any of these paper bits. And we can sprinkle more of these. Okay. I'm gonna glue, do a few more sprinkly bits, and we've got it. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out all what else Jen has on her channel. She works really hard on her channel and does such a phenomenal job of creating things. She has a creativity like that yeah. Jen can create some amazing things. So thank you for joining me on her channel today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And Jen, we hope you recover fast from your surgery. We love you. Keep up the good work, girl. And with that, I will bid you guys adieu. See you next time. Bye.